Spragga. I don't know how many times I called you Spragga and Jafire. Guys, count me out of your nonsense. I'm tired. I'm really tired because I understood that it's Spragga who is actually looking for all these contents. He's all the time looking for him to record. Spragga, let this stop. Whether it's going to be a good thing, whether it's going to be an apology or anything, I just want to have all this nonsense. I've been quiet. Jaffa has been recording all this nonsense with these stupid boys, but I've never even bothered about responding to them. But now if I see somebody who, with a brain, somebody who understands like you, Spragga, still trying to push for this kind of stupid contents to continue, then I see that there's no need of you. Spragga, I have a lot of things you can post about me. I have a lot of good things, man. I have good music. Why are you not posting about it? I have good things. I have news. Why are you not posting about those good things about me? Why are you posting those nonsense about Jaffa all the time? Why don't you just let it go? Spragga, it's time you guys should just... That is the lack of content I'm trying to tell you guys. It's not all about noise all the time. It's not about noise. It's not about chaos for views. It's not about chaos for views. Me, I'm tired. I am tired. I can arrest a law if I want. I have all these things, but I'm trying to just let it go. But if you guys are pushing that button for me to come back and respond, then I've responded to you in a very understanding way. Kindly help me cut off my name from that negative content. I don't want it. I have a lot of things you can post about me. I have good music. I have nice new songs that I'm releasing. Why don't you just be posting those things, Spragga? Please stop. All the time I'm hearing ready, good to go. And Jaffa is there busy recording his bullshit. Spragga, you're a grown-up man. I love you so much, but this is not gonna go well with us if this is how you want your content to always be. It's not gonna be a good thing. It's not gonna be a good thing. I don't want to start any more war with anybody. I'm a very peaceful guy until you trigger me. I just want us to have peace this time. I'm trying to preach peace. So if you guys are still after all this Jaffa nonsense, man, I'm way past that. I've grown up. That is something of last year. Okay? And then these things of vampire, of Jaffa telling people I'm the one who started insulting him. People should stop. I'm not the one who insulted, not vampire. Jaffa. That guy is the one who started insulting me by claiming that I stole somebody's song when I didn't even know anything that was happening in his life. So you guys stop. He has looked for his cheap attention enough. I count my name out. Spragga. And other promoters will be anything about Ja life, about Jaffa, my name should come in. I don't want it. Just count me out is all I want. Post things about me strictly, not about me in line with that mad guy. I don't want an apology from him. I don't want nothing. I don't want an apology from him. I want him to grow up. I don't want him to apologize to me. I want him to grow up, not only to me. He's not only wronging me, he's wronging a lot of people. Let him grow up. That's all. By growing up, he has apologized to the entire world. Chat.